Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Last night on the bus I overheard a rather splendid conversation. Sitting in front of me was a kind of rather hippie-ish teenage daughter and her rather more serious mother. When I sat down, I overheard the daughter basically saying that she totally gets why some people want to drop out of society, go and live out in the sticks, in the middle of nowhere, and just get away from it all, given how awful the world often is. The mother responded by saying, yeah, okay, that's all well and good, but sooner or later you're going to need medical care or whatever, and then you've got problems. If you say that something is all well and good, or something is all very well, but you mean that, you think the idea that you've just heard about on its own is basically okay, but you can see some problems with it. So, if you're a teacher, you might explain to other teachers or to higher level students that translating single words is all very well. It's all well and good, but it basically doesn't really work all the time. Sometimes it depends on collocation, and it doesn't do more than give you an essential core meaning. It doesn't tell you very much about the way words are used. Maybe you go and watch a presentation at a conference and you come away thinking, yeah, it was very theoretical. And the theory in itself was interesting. I mean, it's all well and good to engage in theoretical discussions, but what's bothering me is how am I going to put these ideas into practice in my classroom? One final example, it's often said in football that talent is all very well. Talent is all well and good, but on its own, it's not enough. Success is always 10% inspiration, 90% perspiration. And no matter how talented you are, you still have to do the hard yards. You still have to put the work in if you want to succeed. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use "that's all well and good, but," "that's all very well, but."